Hey everyone, Steve Blackcoats here from Jessup, here to do our 6-month update on our new 2026 product, Floor2WallPro. These graphics around the building that we're going to go through here have been up for almost 6 months on various surfaces, and we're going to do a walkthrough today to see how they're looking and how they held up. Here's our low VOC painted drywall. We split this one in half so we can show how stable it is and how much little shrink it has. Let's see how. 6 months, no residue, easy to remove, clean, and you can probably put it back up if you really want to. Let's give it a shot on a nice painted wood door. Man, that looks like that graphic was never there. Here we go, here's 6 month on ceramic tile with a nice texture on it. This thing's pretty nasty. We're gonna give it a quick clean. That's much better. Quick clean with some water, maybe some Windex, freshen's right up, no over laminate, still looks like new. Smooth, clean, no residue, 6 months, baby. Here's a nice one on our sealed concrete floor in our manufacturing plant. Not the cleanest of areas. We're going to give this one a quick clean too. We even thought we'd give it a test on one of the tougher surfaces. Do it on some glass, see how it comes off. Looks great, not a speck of glue. Let's see how it comes off after 6 months of traffic on our office carpet. It's like it was never there. Well, if you thought the other applications were difficult, we're outside here in Chicago in December now after 6 months, so this has seen 3 of the 4 seasons so far. Still looks great. Comes off clean. We're gonna put it back up and see just how long it's gonna stay, even after I mess with it.